Hi guys and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will guide you on how to get NEAR coins in just a few simple steps using our updated platform. So let's roll. First, let's take a closer look at the NEAR protocol project. The main focus of NEAR protocol is to provide the best user experience and to be a developer-friendly ecosystem. NEAR protocol aims to make a contribution to the Web 3.0 development. The platform utilizes the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which provides scalability to the platform via the usage of sharding technology. NEAR is the native coin operating within the platform. NEAR coins are used to pay for transaction fees and to reward stakeholders. Sounds cool, right? NEAR protocol is definitely worth your attention. Ready to get some NEAR coins? Start with selecting the coin that you want to exchange in the USEN section using the drop-down list. You can also use the search bar. Just start typing the name of the cryptocurrency or its ticker. Next, enter the amount you would like to exchange. Now select NEAR protocol in the UGET section. You can also use the search bar. After that, you will see the estimated amount of NEAR you will receive. Please note that there is a minimum amount for every exchange. Do not send an amount less than the minimum one. And then click on the exchange button to move into the next step. Here, you need to enter the recipient's NEAR protocol address. For your convenience, you can simply add here your MetaMask address or use our SimpleHold Lite wallet. Please be extremely careful and double-check your address. Your NEAR coins will be sent to this address right after the exchange. Alright, now all the necessary details for the exchange are entered. Once again, make sure that all the data is correct. If everything is okay, click the Create Exchange button and you will be forwarded to the exchange page. At this stage, the status of your exchange is waiting. Here, you will see the address to send the indicated amount of Hedera to continue the exchange. You can use the QR code to speed things up. After you sent the deposit, you can see that the status of your exchange has changed to confirming. Then after we have received the deposit to our address and the transaction has the required amount of confirmations, the status will be indicated as exchanging, which means that your exchange is in progress. While our system is sending you NEAR protocol, the status changes to sending, and you will only have to wait a little for the coins to reach your address. Now that's it. Your exchange is completed and you can see the indicated status as finished successfully. In most cases, the exchange process usually takes up to 30 minutes. See how simple it is? In case you have any questions left, feel free to ask us in the comments below or contact our friendly support team using email, which you can find under this video. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos from SimpleSwap.